So it is very good. We're going to place a new order for new products.
Yeah, hi. This is Ms. Echo from Namkoo Power. Glad to meet you, Mr. Simon. Today, I'm very honored to come to here to visit with Mr. Simon, who wants to purchase several sets of our solar power system. Yeah, and today we come to do after sales visit and to do the after sales service with Mr. Simon. So, and I'm very glad to come here and to see that everything is working very well. Yeah, can you please introduce something about our solar power system and how to work about for your factories and office?
Okay, so we bought these systems to run the server rooms and to run the offices. So everybody knows load shedding works well in South Africa. So every time the power goes down, all the offices, all the computer servers, everything stays up and running. All the main generators covered one. So that's why we put these hybrid systems in. So we have two of these systems running. We have the one here in production, and then up at dispatch we have another system running for exactly the same thing.
Okay, yeah, because for this one, this solar power system is a hybrid solar power system to provide the power mainly for the office use, right?
Correct.
Yes, and about this solar power system, it contains total 54 pieces, 550 watt AAA brand solar panels. Yeah. Yes, and then it also used 3 pieces of 12 kilowatt hybrid inverter, right? Yeah, hybrid inverter.
Correct.
And then about the battery, it is total the 50 kilowatts lithium battery. Yeah, we can see that for one pack is 10 kilowatts, and total there are 5 packages with total 50 kilowatts the lithium battery backup.
There's no problems, no issues. When the power goes off, everything stays working.
Wow, that's great.
The server doesn't even glitch. No issues.
Okay.
None of it works well.
Yeah, because we know here every day the utility, the main grid power will cut off every day, right?
Every day. Sometimes 2 times, sometimes 3 times per day.
Oh, okay. So every time when the main grid power cut off, then the solar power will provide the power directly. Okay.
So everything carry on working.
So how is your thinking about our Namkoo products and our service? Yeah.
So it is very good. We're going to place a new order for new products.
Okay. Okay, thank you. Yeah, thank you so much.
100%. Thank you.
Thank you.